Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these easy keto sugar cookies. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. These sugar cookies are so good. They are just a simple keto sugar cookie, and then we're going to drizzle an icing on top. So good. So to get started, I've got 1.5 cups of almond flour in this bowl, and I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/3 cup of keto-friendly powdered sweetener. This is Swerve. You could use, and Swerve you can find in most grocery stores. You could use like Lakanto, powdered Lakanto, but I think you have to order that online. And I'm gonna add in a heavy pinch of salt. I'm gonna go ahead and stir these dry ingredients together. And I'm gonna add in 1/2 cup of softened butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So that's all there is for the basic cookie recipe. I'm gonna combine all of these with this hand mixer. Okay, so this is all mixed in. Your dough will be quite crumbly, but it will come together and hold its shape. That's what you want. You want it to be like that. So we're gonna scoop this out into, I guess, probably 9 cookies. The recipe says 9 cookies, so that's what we're gonna do. And if they crumble a little bit, it's fine, but they will stick together. And then we're gonna flatten them with a measuring cup. Okay, we've got our cookies all scooped out, and I'm gonna use this measuring cup. It's a flat bottom measuring cup that I've wet with some water, and I'm just gonna use it to smush each cookie down, just like that. And if they start to stick, get it wet again. Okay, these are gonna go in the refrigerator for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna bake them in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, our cookies are ready, and they are perfect little keto sugar cookies. So now let's make the icing. I'm gonna do 1/3 cup of powdered sweetener, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, and 2 ounces of softened cream cheese. So I'm gonna beat this until it's a smooth mixture. So we want this to be pourable, so I'm gonna add a little more heavy cream until it is pourable. All right. Okay, we've got our icing at the right consistency, so I'm just gonna drizzle it on top. Doesn't have to be anything beautiful, but this will firm up. And you could just like spread it on top like this too if you wanted to. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do. So you get more icing per cookie. Look at those beautiful cookies. They are, let's try a bite. They look amazing. Perfectly sweet. They're not too sweet. That's a good cookie. You're gonna love this recipe, and be sure you also check out my recipe for my keto chocolate chip cookies. They're just as, maybe better. I don't know. It's hard to choose which one I like better. But if you're a chocolate lover, definitely check out those cookies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.